Bertrand Russell, 1872 to 1970. He was born on 18th May 1872, Trelech, and died on 2nd February 1970 at United Kingdom. His spouse was Edith Finch Russell. Education was done at Trinity College, Cambridge, University of Cambridge. Early career. He taught German social democracy at the London School of Economics, Russell's Paradox, the Principles of Mathematics, Principia Mathematica. He married 4 times, had 3 children. He and his wife soon became the legal guardians of 3 of his granddaughters. This is all about his family life. He died at influenza in 2nd February. Died of influenza in 2nd February 1970. No religious ceremony took place. Ashes seated over the Welsh mountains. Russells represent the spirit of the modern philosophical thought which has revolutionized the previous concepts regarding every walk of life. Russell's contribution to the philosophy is greater than any other intellectual of his age. His love for logic, mathematics, and philosophy led him to adopt the rational, practical, radical, and skeptical vision of life. He made much contribution to the philosophy, greater than any other intellectual of his age. His love for logic, mathematics, philosophy led him to adopt a rational, practical, radical, and skeptical vision of life. He not only evaluates the contemporary philosophies but also gives his own view of the life and thing in the world. As a philosopher, he blazes at the vast firmament of literature like a bright star, radiating the rays of his own learning. He was a skeptic and a practical type of philosopher. His essays are replete with practical wisdom and excellently conceived and marvelously expressed ideas. Russell's point of view about philosophy is quite different from the other philosophers. Russell belongs to the skeptical tradition of the 18th century. It means that his philosophy is skeptical. Russell can be easily termed as a skeptic philosopher due to his instinctive capability not to believe in anything. He believed that everything should be judged on rational grounds. അതാണ് അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ ഫിലോസഫിയിലെ ഒരു മെയിൻ ഐഡിയ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. He believed that everything should be judged on rational grounds. ഏത് കാര്യവും നമ്മൾ യുക്തിപരമായിട്ട് വേണം ജഡ്ജ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്. For this purpose, he asserted the acquisition of scientific and mathematical knowledge. മാത്തമാറ്റിക്സ് അഥവാ സയൻറ്റിഫിക് നോളജിൻ്റെ പ്രത്യേകത എന്താണ്? അവിടെ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ് എന്തിനാണ് കൊടുക്കുന്നത്? റാഷണൽ തിങ്കിങ്, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് സയൻറ്റിഫിക് ആൻഡ് മാത്തമാറ്റിക്കൽ നോളജ്. He says that one good belief is that which is guided by knowledge and inspired by love. This skeptical approach led him to develop a liberal outlook regarding every walk of life. Education. Logic is the cornerstone of Russell's philosophy. He was revised his views on ethics, metaphysics, nature, etc. in the light of his personal experiences from time to time. He does not like his philosophy to be placed in the category of idealism or realism. He likes it to be classed in a logical atomism. അതായത് അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ ഫിലോസഫി ഐഡിയലിസത്തിൻ്റെയോ റിയലിസത്തിൻ്റെയോ ഒരു കാറ്റഗറിയിൽ പെടുത്താനല്ല അദ്ദേഹം ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നത്. പകരം ലോജിക്കൽ അറ്റോമിസത്തിലാണ് അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ, അതായത് അങ്ങനെ ക്ലാസിഫൈ ചെയ്യുന്നതായിരുന്നു അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് ഇഷ്ടം. He thinks that one can realize the basic reality of a thing through logical analysis. He gives placed both to philosophy and mathematics in his philosophical thinking. അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ ഫിലോസഫിക്കൽ തിങ്കിങ്ങിൽ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ പ്രാധാന്യമുണ്ടായിരുന്ന രണ്ട് കാര്യങ്ങൾ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത് ഒന്ന് ഫിലോസഫിയും മറ്റൊന്ന് മാത്തമാറ്റിക്സുമായിരുന്നു. ഹി ഈസ് ആൻ ഔട്ട്സ്റ്റാൻഡിംഗ് ഫിലോസഫർ ആൻഡ് റിഫോമർ ആൻഡ് emphasizes the importance of creative attitude. He is profoundly interested in the basic problems of human beings. In fact, he has sacrificed his entire life for the welfare of mankind. His vehement protest against nuclear weapons and wars in the world is an eloquent testimony to this. He was subjected himself to many hardships and sufferings on account of his unflinching adherence to his views. Western philosophy is based on individualism, logical and analytical thinking, and conflict resolution. Basis of philosophical analysis of Russell. Metaphysics, reality. Parental branch of knowledge, quest for truth or reality. Matter and nature are real. Mind and idea are real. നേച്ചർ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഐഡിയയും മാറ്റർ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന മൈൻഡുമായിട്ട് കണക്കാക്കുമ്പോൾ മൈൻഡ് ആൻഡ് ഐഡിയ ആർ റിയൽ. എപ്പിസ്റ്റമോളജി, നോളജ്. Heart and center of philosophy, knowledge, awareness, the reality. Universe is intelligence, emphasis on soul is more and less on body. Science is knowledge. Knowledge may differ according to people's thought. Axiology, that is values, truth, beauty or goodness. Values of human beings, things we value, emotions, attitude, sentiments, desirable feelings are realities. Ethical, moral, aesthetic, social and religious. Logic, pure mental process. Inductive, deductive thinking. Plato is man, Plato is mortal. All men are mortal, requires logic to understand. Educational thoughts, philosophy of Russell. Russell's principles of education are knowledge of human psychology, particularly child psychology. Russell maintains that the first 6 years of child's life are very important from the point of view of development. ഒരു വളർച്ചയുടെ ഒരു പോയിന്റ് ഓഫ് വ്യൂവിൽ നമ്മൾ നോക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഫസ്റ്റ് 6 years of child's life are very important. By 6 years of age, all those important traits come up in children which form their future personality. ഏകദേശം 6 വയസ്സാകുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും ഒരു കുട്ടിയുടെ ഫ്യൂച്ചർ പേഴ്സണാലിറ്റി ഫോം ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞിരിക്കും. Curiosity is an instinct. It is the basis of mental development and acquisition of knowledge. The mental development of the child is not possible in the absence of curiosity. The mental development of the child is not possible in the absence of curiosity. ജിജ്ഞാസ അഥവാ ക്യൂരിയോസിറ്റി എന്നുള്ള ഒരു ഇൻസ്റ്റിങ്ക്ട് അങ്ങനെ ഒന്നുമില്ല. അങ്ങനെ ഒരു മെൻ്റൽ ഡെവലപ്മെൻ്റ് ഒരു കുട്ടിക്ക് ഇല്ല എങ്കിൽ ചൈൽഡ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് പോസിബിൾ to attain mental development. The teacher should try to create curiosity in the child and give it a right education or right direction and do it utmost to satisfy it. Other virtues will follow automatically. Faith in acquisition of knowledge. Faith in acquisition of knowledge is an important step towards acquiring knowledge. Russell urges that this faith must be created in the child. Freedom from prejudice. A person should be open-minded. He should be free from prejudice. If he does not have this quality, he cannot satisfy his thirst for knowledge. Therefore, open-mindedness is necessary for acquiring knowledge. This quality exists in all those persons who have thirst for knowledge. അതായത് അറിവ് കാംക്ഷിക്കുന്ന ആൾക്കാർ ഒരിക്കലും പ്രിജുഡീസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു മുൻവിധിയോട് കൂടിയിട്ടുള്ള ആൾക്കാരാകരുത്. ദേ ഷുഡ് ബി ഓപ്പൺ മൈൻഡഡ്. Exactness. Russell recognizes the importance of exactness in the process of learning. Devotion to truth must be gauged through the degree of exactness with a person manifest in his behavior. Therefore, the quality of exactness should be developed in children. Confidence. According to Russell, Confidence is essential for the acquisition of knowledge. The confidence helps in making the child active for getting knowledge. Nothing in the world can be achieved without confidence and efforts. Therefore, it is necessary to develop confidence in the child. Aims of education. According to Russell, the aim of education is to develop individuality of the child in such a way that he may adapt himself to the human society. Education should be according to the interest and aptitude of students. His aim of education relate to the duties of teacher. The teacher should strive for inculcating four fundamental qualities as the basis of formation of character. The inculcation of these following aims of education: vitality, courage, sensitiveness, and intelligence. Russell's concept of structure of education is very comprehensive. He gave a detailed account of child's education from early childhood up to university level along with the curriculum at various stages of education. Early childhood, that is nursery schools. Education between 5 to 14 years of the age. Education between 14 to 18 years of age. Then university education. This is all about Russell.